Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, December 3rd. We saw a chilly low near 30 degrees this morning, which was aided by clear skies and calm winds. We're going to see those temperatures rise into the lower to mid 50s today, so a very seasonable day today, and then seeing clouds increase as we go into this evening and tonight ahead of our next weather system expected to bring us some gusty winds and rain Friday night into early Saturday morning. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we do have high pressure dominating the mid-Atlantic region, giving us those calm winds this morning, as well as some mostly clear skies earlier. We do have some upper-level cirrus that has moved in, and that will continue to be the case throughout the day today. Seeing that upper-level cirrus continue throughout the overnight hours, and then seeing more cloud cover increase throughout the area as we go into tomorrow. Let's take a look at our satellite across the region. There you see the upper-level cirrus moving through the area. It looks like we'll get a little bit of a gap with some cirrus, some clear upper air, but we are going to be seeing some even more cirrus cloudiness start to increase as we go into tonight. And you can see across the Ohio Valley in West Virginia, there was some snowfall there, which you can very clearly see on this satellite image. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds. We're pretty calm earlier, just above the surface. A little bit of a low-level maximum near 20 knots. Then seeing those winds shift zonal across the remainder of the column from around 20 knots to 6,000 feet, steadily increasing to around 50 knots at the 20,000 foot level, 25,000 foot level rather. Seeing our freezing level this morning around 7,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at a high of 54 degrees this afternoon. Winds will increase from south-southwest around 5 to 10 knots this afternoon, and then remaining 6 to 11 knots from the southwest throughout the overnight hours. We are expecting a milder low tomorrow morning of 42 degrees as we have that increased cloud cover and that southwesterly flow helping to usher in a little bit more of a mild air mass. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see broken clouds near 25,000 feet throughout the day. Will become scattered at times as we go into the afternoon, and then as we go towards the late afternoon, we're going to see some clouds near 15,000 feet moving to the area, which will slowly increase into the early evening. And then around midnight, seeing scattered clouds at 10,000 feet, broken cloud decks at 13, 20, and 25,000 feet, which will continue through the mid-morning hours of Friday, and we'll also start to see some clouds near 5,000 feet pop up around the area. We're seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our long-range weather model to show you how the weather pattern is going to be progressing. There's that high pressure that's going to be dominating the forecast for today. As we go on to tonight, that high pressure is going to move to the east. That'll help to promote that light southwesterly flow ahead of our next system, which you can see establishing itself across the Gulf states for tomorrow. That's going to be approaching our area, increasing cloud cover across the region, also ushering in a more mild air mass in front of it, and then possibly seeing an isolated shower as just before sunset tomorrow, with showers becoming increasingly likely Friday night, and with rain definitely becoming likely after midnight Friday night, and possibly even seeing a slight chance of a thunderstorm depending on the exact position of this low and the exact strength of it. Could be seeing some instability move in. Does look like we'll be seeing a chance of some brief heavy rain as well for the late Friday night into the pre-dawn hours of Saturday as the slow moves across the area. This is running around 5 a.m. for Saturday morning, so that's when the low is expected to pass, bringing some periods of heavy rain, especially across the northern half of the Delmarva, and like I said, possibly even a chance of a thunderstorm. It does look possible that this rain could be out of here by noon on Saturday. That's looking increasingly likely, but we will see scattered showers throughout the morning, perhaps an isolated lingering shower into the early afternoon hours. Then as we go into Saturday evening, we'll see some cooler air start to usher in, the drier air as well. High pressure will start to build into the area on Sunday, and then that high pressure will continue to dominate the area with a more seasonable air mass as we go into early next week, and then continue to see some seasonable conditions as we go into the middle of next week. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast for today, going to be seeing a high of 54. 42 degrees tonight. Tomorrow more mild with a high of 61, mostly cloudy skies with clouds increasing. We're going to see those rain showers overnight, possibly seeing a heavy thunderstorm and maybe even some heavy rain as well. Winds are also going to really pick up ahead of that front and become breezy, especially depending on the exact track of the low. That's going to really depend on where those winds are the strongest across the Delmarva. Saturday is looking at a high of 53 with that heavy rain early, then clearing up as we go into the evening hours Saturday. It is going to be rather breezy behind that front on Saturday, especially in the afternoon and early evening. Saturday night's going to be cooler, much more seasonable with a low of 34. And then Sunday through Wednesday, there's a lot of model discrepancies on exactly how much cool air will be in through the area, with the European model being colder than the GFS. We went with a little bit of a blend here, so looking for a high of 47 on Sunday, and then seeing high of 49 on Monday with a low of 31. Chilly morning Tuesday with a low of 28, and then seeing temperatures in the mid-40s on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then a low of 30 on Wednesday, and looking partly to mostly cloudy skies each day, Sunday through Wednesday next week. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.